What is up, KNT Nation? It's your girl KT, and I'm back with another video reviewing the Wendy's app. When you first open up the Wendy's app, your points will be shown as well as any other coupons. In the bottom left-hand corner, you have 5 different options: home, rewards, order, scan, account. But to start your order, hit start order. Once you've done that, you have 2 options. With pickup, all you do is select your location. But with delivery, you need to manually put in your address. But for this example, I'm going to order with pickup. So first, select your location. Once you've done that, hit select pickup method. Then select your pickup option. Once you've done that, hit start pickup order. Here, you can scroll through the Wendy's menu.
On my mind, soon as I get back, she can slay. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close.
For my order, I'm going to select combo. Here are all of the different combos that Wendy's has to offer. For my order, I'm going to go with Big Bacon Classic Combo Meal. Now, I can choose to either make it a single, double, or a triple. Next, you have your drinks. I'm going to go with my favorite and all-time classic, strawberry lemonade. You can now review your order details. And if you want to edit any of the sizes of your items, hit edit. Here, you can change the size of your drink. And I'm just going to go with the large. Once you've finalized your order, hit add to bag. And if you want to add any items to your order, you can do so here. To finalize your order, hit checkout. Now, review your order information, then hit payment. And there you have it, how to order on the Wendy's app. And if you made it to the end of the video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap.